Okay, so I'm in the car. It's 60 degrees outside, nice day. I thought I'd risk it and bring the Porsche out for a drive, and it's having the same problem it's intermittently having, and the dealer refuses to fix it. So I've got the key, it's in my pocket. Keys in my pocket. I'll even leave it right there, right by the ignition. Try to start the car, nothing. The car won't start. Foot's on the brake, foot's on the clutch, firmly there. Car won't start. Nothing. Car's completely dead. So I guess I'm taking an Uber.